Many customers who go through a hail damage claim will ask us, is this going to show up on a Carfax report? The honest truth is, probably not. But we can't control Carfax. They're a third-party entity. We don't report to them. Some insurance companies may. The honest truth is, they're a bit hush-hush about how they actually do their reporting. What we do know is, hail damage is a cosmetic repair. So this shouldn't show up on a Carfax, and if it does, it's usually being reported inaccurately. So what should you do? If you do file an insurance claim and go through a repair process, we recommend pulling a Carfax 3 to 6 months down the road. This is going to give you all the data on your vehicle and show if it was reported. If it was, the next step will be to contact Carfax and just make sure that it's been reported as cosmetic and not structural. This will make you make sure your vehicle has been repaired properly using the proper methods, but it's also going to make sure you maintain the value of your vehicle for as long as you own it. If you have any questions, feel free to swing by our shop, give us a call. We'd love to help. We'd love to answer any questions about this process. We'd love to be a resource for you moving forward.